Hello, welcome to Homesteading Northwest Florida, and it is 7 a.m. on July 27th, 2022. And what is the temperature now? It is only 76 degrees. Sure, probably to reach 90 degrees later today. But we had a lot of days of rain, and yesterday the county and everybody was cutting the grass. The grass got quite long because we couldn't cut it for about 10 days. It just kept on raining and raining. But anyhow, I think it was good for the plants here. Here's our new bed. Ooh, there's a little something coming up there, among probably many other things. Moringa looks to be doing fine. It might be a little yellow at the bottom because we got so much rain. And we have we got our tomato here. This one just came up, so it has a stake there now. And we have the Life of the Party tree roses. Yeah, the tree roses are good because you don't come in so much contact with the soil. So they do work well here. We'll see how they do over the winter, but so yeah, the grass is pretty lush. Everything's pretty lush. Oh, here's a hosta. This hosta is pretty much afternoon sun. Yeah, I gotta take a picture of this hosta. It's really blooming out nicely here. Leaves don't look so good, but and we have our raised bed here where we got peppers, and these peppers got so heavy here that this branch fell over and I had to put another ring around it. But I have seen some eggplants forming here, which I'm happy about. See, there's a bee in the eggplants. Eggplants are forming. This one here, let's see, it looks like a triple one. Very unusual. Very unusual. And we have some tomatoes here. These are like a purple strawberry tiny tomato. Moringa, pretty big. It'll form these little tiny branches, and sometimes they'll die off of this thing. I don't know why. Got some tomatoes. Oh my gosh. This is also eggplant. This is the white eggplant. We got peppers, and so yeah, yesterday was cutting grass. I still have a great big area over there to cut. I still have another acre to cut with a 21-inch lawnmower. Ooh, and we have these, I think these are swallowtail caterpillars on our parsley here. This parsley kind of goes through this every year. It's a really old stalk of parsley. So yeah, parsley pretty much lives through the whole year, the whole winter, in this zone 8A, 8B. So yeah, the weeds are prolific here, especially this chamber bitter lately. But here's the back garden with the Seminole pumpkins. Got quite a few large pumpkins and flowers every day. And this one I'm just going to let go up this oak tree. I'm just going to let this grow. It's going up the oak tree. I heard they're called climbing pumpkins or something, but let's see here if I can show you some of the pumpkins. There we go. This one's probably the biggest one, and I'm going to have to check and see what this is laying on. But yeah, kind of an exciting thing to grow, pumpkins, because you actually, and there's a male flower and a female flower, and unless they get pollinated across, you can take some pollen out with a Q-tip, but the bees have been doing it lately. And I think at first I didn't have the male and female flower, you know, when the plant was smaller. Now, you know, here it's pretty huge. But now I have the bees to pollinate for me. And that looks like a male flower. And a lot more male flowers than females, but that's alright. And here's one here. And I cut this whole area. I'm trying to put some grass down to prevent the weeds from coming up as badly. And I harvested some, yeah, I had to get rid of this black-eyed pea bush here. Cow peas or black-eyed peas do excellent no matter what in zone 8, zone 8A, 8B. I'm trying to kill these bugs. So, and I've been spraying my tomatoes here. Here looks like a Roma tomato. And that just got bigger. These are yard-long beans, I think, here. Which I have harvested those in the past. Very long bean. But black-eyed peas just keep on coming. I planted them like a barrier around here. And I do spray with BT, Bacillus thuringiensis, and this other insecticidal soap, but that's almost running out. I'll probably make some out of neem oil and, but here's our bean harvest for today. Neem oil and Dawn dishwashing liquid and water makes a different kind of insecticidal soap. Here, yeah, here's with seaweed extract. But it is keeping the bugs down, but around here you could never, you know, you can't expect to completely eliminate them. Ooh, looks like I have fire ants in here. This bed here. But alright. Thank you for watching. Oh, we got a grasshopper on a flower. Alright, thanks for